Your time is limited, so don't waste it living someone else's life. Too many people spend years following a path that was chosen for them. They settle for average because it feels safe. They trade their dreams for security, their ambitions for comfort, and their freedom for routine. But the reality is that every day you spend building someone else's vision is a day you're not building your own. Life was never meant to be lived on autopilot. You were created with unique talents, ideas, and abilities that deserve to be developed. The goals you have, the lifestyle you want, the impact you wish to make, and the legacy you hope to leave behind will never happen by accident. They happen when you make the decision to take ownership of your future. The most successful people are not necessarily the smartest or the luckiest. They are the ones who decide to stop following the crowd and start creating a life on their own terms. They understand that time is their most valuable asset, and they refuse to waste it pursuing someone else's definition of success. At some point, every person must ask themselves a simple question: am I building my dream, or am I helping build someone else's? The answer to that question can change everything. So if you're ready to reinvent your future, build a seven-figure compounding residual income, and help customers save money every month without ever writing you a check, it's time to take control of your financial destiny. Now visit TruPowurCareer.com to learn more, and we'll see you on the inside.